Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn capital letters alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, white color, and black color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Red color. The alphabets of A. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use blue color. Blue color. F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids again use blue color and draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. The alphabets of G. Kids now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H, and use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J, and use white color. White color. Kids again use white color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. Kids now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. The alphabets of L, and use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. The alphabets of L. Kids again use black color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O, and use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Kids now draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. The alphabets of Q, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw R. R for rose. R for rice. The alphabets of R. It's neither S. S for sun. S for snake. The alphabets of S. And use blue color. Blue color. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. The alphabets of T. It's neither U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. The alphabets of U. And use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw V. V for van. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. It's neither W. W for wallet. W for watch. The alphabets of W. And use white color. Kids, again use white color and draw X. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. The alphabets of X. It's neither Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. The alphabets of Y. And use black color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.